Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Maricel Valverde. I'm 42 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, which is 12 years old, and then girl, which is 7 years old.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because aside from a high salary, Hong Kong is the safest country or place for a domestic helper. And also, I want to work in Hong Kong because for my family needs, for money to earn for my further future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have working experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, which is 2 years and 11 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, ironing, sometimes I'm gardening and car washing.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Aside from my kids, which is I take care of them since newborn, I take care also for my employer's granddaughter, which is 5 years old.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I take care of them. For my kids, I breastfeed for 1.5 years. Changing clothes, take a bath, changing clothes and diapers, and then for my madam granddaughter, I give them food, I cook them, and then I bring them outside for play.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Aside from taking of them, my skills is cooking Filipino dishes. I don't have experience of cooking Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
As a domestic helper, it's necessary to be loyal, honest, hardworking, flexible.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please choose or select me as your domestic helper. I can promise you that I'm honest, trust, loyal, hardworking. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.